Meet Prisha, a friends and family were going on a trip to Goa. They did all their shopping, planning, and booking all on WhatsApp. Hey founders and marketers, is your business leveraging the new power of WhatsApp to target potential customers like Prisha and thousand others with personalized messages and automation to grow your business? Introducing WhatsTool Business, your solution for business growth via WhatsApp. Increase sales through personalized communication on WhatsApp by automating marketing, sales, service, and support with the WhatsApp Business API. Let's explore marketing. Easily send personalized bulk messages to target thousands of potential customers by just importing customer data from CSV into a dashboard with a single click. Track who reads and interacts with messages so you can retarget them based on the responses to boost your sales. Let's explore sales. Increase sales by offering customers the ability to buy directly from WhatsApp, similar to online shopping. Bring Shopify catalog to WhatsApp catalog to offer a seamless checkout experience. Send abandoned cart recovery and order delivery notification on WhatsApp. Let's explore support. Be available 24/7 with the AI trained chatbot on WhatsApp, along with the shared team inbox with 100 plus agents to resolve customer queries with rule based assignment, relevant tagging, and updating customer information in WhatsTool dashboard. Monitor agent performance and customer satisfaction regularly to keep your business on track. Let's explore automation and integration. Automate your message on WhatsApp with no-code chatbot builder and leverage API automation to send messages, run campaigns from your backend systems. With over 100 plus native third-party app integrations, we cover all your business automation needs across CRM, connectors, payments, logistics, and marketing apps. We got all your business needs covered to harness the full potential of WhatsApp Business API to target potential customers globally. Start your free trial at WhatsTool Business now.